How come you're not eating? Here, do you want this? Here you go, buddy. I want you to eat. Okay. Come on. That's so yummy in the tummy for you. You have been playing too much, buddy. I want to eat your yummy food. Hi, my handsome king. Honey, you're so beautiful. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Good job. You're so sexy. Oh, who are you? Diamond. You're so pretty. Oh, hi. You're very sexy. Very jealous that she's not getting all the attention. Honey, get the kitty kiss. Give the kitty kiss. Give the kitty kiss. Are you so cute? She gets very jealous. Do you want a cheese puff? You want a cheese puff too? You can't have a cheese puff. You cannot have a cheese puff. See, I want my orange juice because it's so good for me. Oh, give me that. See, I love my orange juice. You want one more sip? Good boy. You're so cute. I love you. That's my lunch opener. Are you finished? To finish up things with some yummy orange juice. Yeah, I love my orange juice. Good job. It's yummy in the tummy. Hi, buddy. Do you want a cheese puff? A cheese puff? Good boy. That's his favorite treat in the world. He's a good boy. You cannot have his cheese puff. You cannot have his cheese puff.